Hello friends, and welcome to my channel. Today I just received my Anna Griffin mystery box for May 2026, and I thought that I would share it with you. Here we go. First of all, we have this great nice tissue paper, but look at what Anna did. Oh, this is so nice and so worth the monthly subscription price. I love this. Let me put it over to the side, get the box out of the way, and we will go through this beautiful kit. And some of you may know I like to keep my tissue paper and my boxes because I reuse everything. I am that girl. Okay, let's see what we got. I'm so excited. Oh, and I hope that this is not going to be too much of a reveal for everyone, but I have seen other YouTubers post these videos and I love them, so I thought, well, why not? Let's get out there and be part of the YouTube arts and crafts community and share. And I am in for that. I value all of you so much for your sharing information and just being such wonderful people. Okay, let me see if I can get all of this in frame. And, okay, I'm going to try to do this in a way that makes sense to me. As you can see, I like a Zen environment. I have my candle going. I hope that's not too distracting, but I really enjoy relaxing in my studio, and like I said, I enjoy being part of everything that's going on in the YouTube community, and I do thank each and every one of you for all of the information, the friendliness, and the kindness that you show all of us when you post your videos and share with us. Okay, I think I'm in view. Let's see. I want it to be pretty. Okay, this is what we have in our kit for May 2026. And let's start with the paper. This is beautiful, 12 by 12. I don't know the collection this came from. It looks Art Nouveau to me, which I love Art Nouveau, so beautiful. Let's see if there's a pattern on the back. No, there's no pattern on the back. And that's good for some of the projects that I'm going to be sharing in this community with you, because not only do I enjoy scrapbooking, card making, I do like to do art books and journals. I also love photography. I love art. To start out, we have two of this design. So pretty. Again, an Art Nouveau print. Oh, look at this. This is great. I live in Florida, so I have the opportunity every day, if I want to go to the beach or a lake or any water. So I have a plethora of pictures from our beach trips I want to scrapbook. So this is exciting. Okay, you get two of these, and they're also blank on the back. Oh, here we go. This must be from the Handsome collection. I don't know because I haven't looked at my Handsome collection yet. I'm going to do some page kits together with you, and we'll see all of Anna's beautiful designs. And again, this is white on the back. Gorgeous. Oh, here we go. Retro 70s. I love it. And it's white on the back. Ah, beautiful green paisley design that has ferns embedded in the design. This is really beautiful. You can do a lot with this. I would consider this a neutral, and it would also be good for coastal. For those of you that don't know, at the beach we have a lot of green. We have a lot of tropical plants everywhere. That would be gorgeous. And then we have a brown tweed, which is also nice. Love it. And it's blank on the back as well. Then we have the cards. These are the actual cards. There's the Art Nouveau print. There's the map, the tailoring, the retro 70s, the paisley fern, and the tweed. Beautiful. Love it. And now we have sentiments. Happy birthday to you, and many more. That's very nice. Okay, we have 2 of those. We have one. Your kindness means so much to me. I really enjoy that. We don't have enough kindness in this world. I vote for kindness. Be kind. So we have 2 of those. In fact, I have a hat with a little bee on it, and it says, be kind. Wishing you a happy Father's Day. How appropriate. We have Father's Day coming up. And then there's another one. Most of us at some point in life are fortunate enough to have 2 fathers. Wishing you great success. That's very nice. And again, the same sentiment. Then we have, you are my thoughts. I like that. Those times when we have someone on our heart and we just want to share with them, you know, we're thinking about you. Good times or bad times. And you are so special to me. That's a great card to send to anybody. Okay. Next we have, let's go through the ephemera. It's just so pretty. Let's see what we get in here. And there's a lot in here, guys. Woo. Okay, we have a floral with a train. Great for those vintage photos that we all like to do. 2 of those. We have, let me move these over so I can make a stack. Well, we have a compass, a watch, not really sure, maybe some kind of coins. We have a hat and shoes to go with the handsome collection, the vest and watch. These are all perfect for Father's Day. This is right on. Father's Day is right around the corner. We got to celebrate daddies. Yes, we do. They're very important. We have a globe and a compass. Very nice. It looks like we get 2 of each design. And then we have the encyclopedia with the little eyeglasses and the man's collar. We have a hat. 2 of those. Okay, here's a man's shoe. Stars. Oh, a nice little, I think that would be a collie. There are 2 of those. I have 2 little male Malshi. That's a Maltese and Shih Tzu mix, and they're precious. Eyeglasses, some type of Art Nouveau piece. There's a lot you can do with this kit. Father's Day is just, it'll just be one thing. We have a champagne bottle with a burst behind it, very Art Nouveau. And we have a champagne bottle. What do they call these? A boiler hat, I think. And we have an antique car and postcard. That's pretty cute. We have the awards tag, or it's not, doesn't necessarily have to be a tag, but I would make this a tag and put whatever accolade needed to be on there. My husband's a runner, so he's winning stuff all the time. This kit's perfect for me. And he likes to dress up when we go somewhere nice, including when we go to church. Here we go. And I know people don't do that a lot anymore, but you know, he still enjoys dressing up, and I'm happy that he does. Okay, it looks like we've got a lot of ephemera. We have plenty of paper and cards. So I'm happy about this. Boy, this is a great, I would call it a haul, but it's my subscription. Okay, next we have a beautiful frame. And I guess it could be either way. It's just beautiful. And this is, it looks like a 3D emboss frame. That's the only one in the package. We have some foil accents. Stars, individual stars. We have more of this Art Nouveau. And then we have a bracket of some sort. Let me put that up to the camera. That could go over a doorway or several different things. We'll figure out what to do with that. Then we have flourishes. I love these. They're just gorgeous. And those were the right, and these are the left. Okay. And then we have two of these. One of mine just fell on the floor, but there are two. And we have two of these beautiful scrolls. And another Art Nouveau print. And if you don't use Art Nouveau in your scrapbooks, it's so beautiful in art books, and we will do art books together at some point. Okay, let me just move this over here. Now we have sentiments. I use sentiments on cards and scrapbooking pages. I don't journal a whole lot on my scrapbook pages. I have one daughter, and she, happy Father's Day, happy Father's Day. She is creating her own books. So we, I'm sure we have duplicates of many things. Thank you. I'm sorry, congratulations. It's the world's greatest husband. Birthday wishes. Got a couple thinking of you. Birthday wishes. Thank you and congratulations. And we have twine, which is nice. Little thing of twine. So ladies, I think we're gonna have a lot of fun with this kit. I'll come back in part 2 and show you what I have done with my kit. I always like to set that aside as a project for myself. So I look forward to seeing you again, hopefully soon. And enjoy your day, enjoy your weekend, and thank you for stopping by to see me. Bye.